So today I like to compare the Edifier, so this like wired Bluetooth speaker, versus the Tronsmart Halo 100. So with Tronsmart is a bit sad story at the moment that they don't reply on my emails anymore. I'm not sure why, because they sent me like speakers for 2 years now. And like with the new Halo 200, no reply. With the Bang Max, no reply. So it sounds a bit sad, but this is probably the last big Tronsmart speaker that I will test out. And it's not because I don't want to buy Tronsmart speakers. Really, if I had the money, I would do it. But because of budget reasons, I decided to not spend much money on brands that I know now. Because, for example, Miva, if Miva releases a new speaker, they also send it out now. And if they don't reply, I don't buy it. Because I have seen what the brands can do. So I don't necessarily need the new speaker of the brand to see how it is. Because I know a bit of the brand. So for example, like with the SoundArc and some other small new brands, those I buy to see how those new brands are. So now you know my way of testing, because a lot of people were a bit confused that I not like testing out the new Tronsmart stuff. It had to do with that scenario. But for example with Edifier, the first few speakers of Edifier, Bluetooth speakers in the past, I did bought myself. But nowadays I'm very lucky to see Edifier sending me some things. They will also send another Bluetooth speaker very soon. But today we're going to focus on these two. So now you know my way of testing, and I do hope you appreciate everything I try to test and not complaining about things I don't test. Because I know I would like to test more, but the brands are also important to reply or not. So yeah, without further ado, the Edifier, great speaker. Really, I like the design. And the overall audio performance really is not even bad for like one small driver and a tweeter. The Tronsmart Halo 100 is definitely a bit of a different kind of approach. It's a bit more, I would say, in the bass side. But on the overall audio performance, they're pretty similar to each other. Yeah, of course, with the Edifier you don't have a battery built in, so yeah, you see, you need a cable. And this one also has like bass ports, so to give you some low levels. And with this one you have one big passive radiator behind this panel, which is providing the bass. So yeah, as mentioned before, I would love to test more out of Tronsmart, for example, but if they don't reply, it will not happen. So yeah, here are some audio samples so you guys can see how these two perform. I think they are pretty similar in overall performance, but just a bit of a different design.
To be found when no one's looking. I am feeling left out and I keep screaming. No one ever understands it. Feels like I became Atlantis. Hidden from the world. I'm looking for a way. Fucking all night, yeah. Alright, I've been feeling alright. This time you won't get to my heart, yeah. This time I'ma get what is mine. Tell me what you wanna do right now. I'm still thinking about the ways you like, yeah, baby. I don't really ask for much. Crazy how you only want the fire. I swear to God, 'cause I had enough. Tell me stop, but I had enough. You know I've been broken up. Oh, I could say nothing.
Tell me if you're hurt and I'll be there. Carry you away to the promised land. Feel your heartbeat and don't be scared. 'Cause I'll be there, yes I'll be there. You and I, we can fly anywhere you wanna go. Find a place we can hide, we can make it on our own. All along for the ride, to the stars just follow. You and I, side by side, dancing in your halo.
Lately you don't feel like yourself, and you kinda hate it. You suppress all of the thoughts in your head and say it's complicated. You hide your pain, but I can see it etched on your face. I know the feeling. Swear you're okay, but you're barely breathing. Don't you walk away? 'Cause I feel you getting lost, I feel you trailing off. Feel it in your words when you say there's nothing wrong. There's something so subliminal about the way that your hands shake whenever you talk. You stare into space like you're lost in your thought. Surrounded by your paper walls. Tell me what's been going on. Tell me what's been going on. I got up thinking about myself. Never took time